This dress not only honored the historical figure but also showcased strength and bravery through its design. Lady Gaga's multiple outfits at the 2019 Met Gala, designed by Brandon Maxwell, were inspired by the concept of camp. Each look, from the pink parachute gown to the black Brandon Maxwell dress with a 25-foot train, celebrated extravagance and theatricality. Hello everyone and welcome back to Physics Wala Design and Architecture. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of designer dresses, starting with the iconic looks from the Met Gala. Let's explore how these outfits not only dazzle but also draw inspiration from diverse sources. Let's start with Rihanna's unforgettable 2018 Met Gala dress. Her shimmering silver gown, designed by Mason, drew inspiration from papal robes, blending religious symbolism with avant-garde fashion. The metallic hues symbolize grace and sophistication, making a powerful statement on the red carpet. Designers often draw inspiration from cultural heritage and historical references. For example, Zendaya's 2018 Met Gala dress was inspired by Joan of Arc, featuring a custom Versace gown adorned with armor-like detailing. This dress not only honored the historical figure but also showcased strength and bravery through its design. Lady Gaga's multiple outfits at the 2019 Met Gala, designed by Brandon Maxwell, were inspired by the concept of camp. Each look, from the pink parachute gown to the black Brandon Maxwell dress with a 25-foot train, celebrated extravagance and theatricality. These outfits challenged traditional fashion norms and embraced the playful essence of the camp culture. Color plays a very vital role in these designs. Designers strategically use the color wheel to evoke emotions and set trends. Whether it's the bold colors of Cardi B's 2019 Met Gala gown, designed by Thom Browne, which featured a dramatic feathered train in vivid red and blue, or Lupita Nyong'o's 2019 Versace dress with ethereal pastels inspired by the beauty of the sky at the dawn, colors being stories to life on the runway. In conclusion, designer dresses are not just about fashion, they are a canvas where cultural heritage, art and the color wheel converge. These creations tell stories, emotions and set trends in the ever-evolving world of fashion design. Until next time, stay stylish and keep exploring.